Welcome back to another video. Deals just dropped, guys. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make retro review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribers and likes. This is the second time we record this. I forgot to turn on the mic. Oh well. So $379. This one's actually a pretty good deal. Well, not a pretty good deal. It's a really powerful tool. I seen that thing in action. That thing's a beast. Guys, they're working on removing all the gas. This is the second time I see one of these flyers. They're running a program where they're gonna, start trading in the gas for the they're gonna give you coupons or whatnot. But yeah, it's just a matter of time. All United States is gonna move on to this. California started it, so it's pretty soon is gonna move on to that's what they want you to buy, all electric power tools. Remember, guys, if you guys see a box like this, make sure you guys pick it up. Take it to the counter, the customer service counter, and get yourself a discount on that one. 404 on that one. I'm waiting for it to drop. Got some generators here. $899 for the Champion, 7,850 watt. So guys, yeah, these are gas tools, so they're gonna start moving their way out. Pretty soon the power stations or the generators with the solar panels are gonna start moving in. So I don't know, guys. If you guys are in California, I guess now is the time to buy the last ones that they have before they start quit selling them. So they got this smaller one, not necessarily the best price. I mean, you can shop around, probably go to Costco, get yourself a better deal. For Ryobi quality, I mean, you can probably shop somewhere else. All right, so you got this one. It's $103. It's a weed whacker, basically walk behind trimmer. 22 inches, 140cc. So that's not too bad. It's the clearance section. You got the cone paper cups here, 200 count. 426 down from 547. Now you got the Hampton Bay dining table, 35 inch, Lagoon Point. 112 down from 209. That's not a bad deal. We got this XWT12ZB. This is the compact. I did not see a price on this one. So whenever you see an item like this that does not have a price, make sure you guys take a picture of it, the tag, or the barcode. Take it up to the associate. Make sure they scan it for you and find out if you're not missing out in a clearance crazy deal. So a lot of those items, they do not have any tags, or they're not showing the right price, and those are hidden. So make sure you guys double check those prices, especially at the clearance section with those yellow tags. Check this one out. This one's $129 down from $149. It's a brushless blower, Whisper series. $488 for the 5 pair of polyurethane gloves. It's a nice little set here for the yard or woodworking, whatever. Alright, so they got the BOGO deals. These are killer deals. Basically, the better one to get is that $399. You got 4 tool combo kits. You're getting a reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, impact driver, hammer drill, and you can choose from any 2 of the tools at the bottom. So you get to choose from 2. You can choose from the batteries, the reciprocating saw, the one-handed reciprocating saw, the Bluetooth wireless speaker, the circular saw, the oscillating tool, the caulk gun, the reciprocating saw, the 3-inch material saw, cutting saw, the sander, and this is the other kit you guys could buy, but this one you're getting only 1 free tool. So $249 will get you that hammer drill, impact driver, 2 batteries, charger, and the bag. And then again, it's only 1 tool with this one, so you can still choose from that job site blower, the folding panel light, that's a really good one. The drywall cutout tool. So any of those tools at the bottom qualify for all those promos. Up on the top, those free tools. Make sure you guys mix and match. Get the ones that you guys need. This $119 is not a good deal. I would definitely save my money and go for that $249 or that $399 deal. Is much better deal. Those brushless tools are just killer tools. They do work really well. They save battery. They're really powerful. Alright, so here's some of the tools that you guys could choose from. You got the drywall cutout tool there that we just passed, and then we got the oscillating tool. We got the sander. So sander's worth 89 bucks. You got the panel light. This thing's looks like a beast. You got the blower there. You got the caulk gun. You got the circular saw, and it looks like the reciprocating saw there to the left. So guys, this is actually a pretty good deal. I'm thinking about, investing in this line. This is probably one of the lines that I'm not into because there's hardly any good deals on it. But this is actually a really, really good deal because they're all brushless tools. Got the auto lock here. This is 25 feet. What this works is you just pull it out and it stays. It locks by itself. And to retract it, just push the button and it goes back in. So pretty nice. They got the buy one get one free killer deals on these Makita. $249 for the rear handle. You're gonna get that 18 bolt times 2, 36 bolts, brushless 7 1/4 circular saw with 2 batteries, charger in the bag, and you can choose from this one too for $279. Impact driver, drill driver for 2 4 amp hour batteries, charger and a bag. That rear handle is a beast. You can choose from any of these tools on the bottom. So get yourself a free tool. You got your choice of a hammer drill there to the left. You got a circular saw. You got a reciprocating saw. You got a jigsaw. So guys, definitely think about this one because this one's really good. My neighbor actually has that. He works in construction framing. He has that Makita saw. He says that thing's a beast. Still running hard. That thing just, forever. You got a jigsaw there, and then you got the impact driver. Excuse me, impact driver. You got the multi-tool. You got the job site speaker. Job site speaker seems like a nice tool to get with this promo. So guys, make sure you guys jump on these deals. All these BOGO deals, they will sell out. Like all the best tools will sell out. So if you guys are looking into getting these lines, or this Ridgid and Makita, and even the others, make sure you guys jump into these deals because they will sell out, and then you're gonna miss out on the better tools that they have. This is the kit here, the impact driver, drill driver. And that's the circular saw. You got the reciprocating saw. You got the job site speaker. It's pretty nice tools. Alright, got the circular saw from Ridgid. This is corded. This is for somebody that does not want to invest into a tool line. So $49.97. You got $99 to your choice here. Same thing with that folding panel lights. Qualifies for the other deal. Guys, we got some drops here for a pack out. So free a pack out crate with the purchase of $219. So this is actually a pretty good deal because you're basically getting $49.97 value worth of crate basically. I first I didn't think I was gonna use that crate, but that thing I think I used with that crate even more than my toolboxes. So you got $49.97 for the packout or small parts organizer. You get $79.97 for the toolbox, the smaller one. You got $229 for the rolling, the huge box there. You got $119 for the XL, $139 for the rolling. So you got the huge box here. This thing's massive. You can stack 2 packouts side by side on this one. So if you got a bigger hammer, like rotary hammers and all that stuff, you guys could probably use that bigger box. You got the XL there, and then you got the parts organizers here. A lot of people use these parts organizers for batteries and for storing batteries and power tools. So they do take out everything that's in the inside and then just use them as power tools. And then this is the one you're going to get for free. So $49 on that one. Then $79.97 for this one. So pretty good deals on those. And they still have this up. I don't know what the deal is with this. If this is our deal already over or not. But they still have this deal. This was a killer deal. They do not have this free promo anymore here at the bottom at this store. But it was just a good deal, especially with that hammer drill and that nail gun. All right, so they got this impact wrench. It's a 1/2 inch impact wrench, $249. You got the jigsaw there for $199. So the barrel grip jigsaw. or style. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw, the atomic there, and then you got the this one's a beast here. This is the hammer drill, top of the line DeWalt, $3.99. It's a flexible advantage impact kit. So you get a 6 amp hour flex bolt, you got a 2 amp hour battery, a charger in a bag, plus that hammer drill and impact driver. So they got this drill here for $2.19. I think it's a little pricey. Same thing with this one's a little pricey. I would rather go get those flex bolts. It says $3.99. I don't know if it's in the wrong section or they're gonna start a promo with this thing, but alright, so they got the Milwaukees. These are actually not too bad deals. I mean, they're not, the tools that you're getting for free, they're not fuel. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, some of them are okay. Like $4.49, you're getting 5 tools plus one more, or get one free there at the bottom. Or that $3.99 kit, you're getting 2 fuel tools with 2 big batteries, charger, and a case. Getting yourself a free tool there. And then you got that hammer drill, which is fuel with 2 big batteries, charger, and a case, $2.69. And you get to choose from one of those free tools at the bottom. Not necessarily the killer deals. I would definitely, if you need the batteries, make sure you guys stock up on those batteries. Now's the time. You get the circular saw, which is the 6.5 circular saw. You get the 4.5 cutoff grinder. Get the saw reciprocating saw. And then you can choose from these other deals that they got, the impact driver or drill driver for $149. Or you get the pack of 2 of 6 amp hour batteries for $229, which is not the better deals, to tell the truth. Milwaukee's actually, I think they're focusing more at this time on Ridgid, because they're owned by TTI. I think they're focusing more on Ridgid this time of year. They're holding off for the better sales for the holidays, for the Black Friday deals. So then they got this impact driver, drill driver, brushless tools for $199. I think this one's a much better deal than the just by themselves. So that's a 2-piece kit. Now this one's a pretty good deal. So they got the OPE, so $299 for the weed whacker kit with the battery. I believe it comes with the 8 amp hour battery. Or you can get $179 for the edge trimmer, or $169 for the blower. I do have that blower. I think it's a beast. Get yourself a free 5 amp hour battery with the purchase of any of those on the left. Those are killer deals, especially if you hack them. You're gonna get those for crazy low price. Same thing with this one. You can get the blower kit with an 8 amp hour battery. You get yourself a free battery with this kit. So that's what's included on this. Oh, this is another one. This is what's included on that weed whacker kit with the blower. So you're getting 2 tools. You're getting a string trimmer, blower, 1 8 amp hour battery, and rapid charger, $4.39, and then you're getting yourself a free 6 amp hour battery. So if you guys hack that, that's a pretty good deal. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.